is Barry Davis. I came from Pennsylvania along with my wife and myself. We purchased a truck from Elhaj. The truck is magnificent. It's beautiful. I look forward to getting this truck up and running. It's a beautiful truck. The graphics is nice. The interior, they did an immaculate job. I recommend anybody that wanted to get a food truck is to come to Elhaj, see Elhaj and his crew, and they'll bless you real decent. Give you a nice, get you up and running. The price is reasonable, and I look forward to getting my second truck. Thank you very much.